Welcome to Pricing Matters. Welcome to Pricing Matters. These are the top 3 matters in the price space for August 7th, 2023. Illinois car insurance is an example of an unexpected type of price discrimination, charging poor individuals more, according to an expose by the Chicago Sun-Times. In Illinois, car insurance rates are highest for the poorest consumers. This makes sense when you consider the poorest Illinois residents have the lowest credit, which means they are the most likely to default on their monthly payments. This, of course, is extremely difficult for poorer residents, and this has led to political controversy in the state. Importantly for pricing, this goes to show how price segmentation exists within markets, and it is something that we should all be aware of. Like the automobile insurance market, other markets are also providing challenges for vulnerable individuals. According to Reuters, the termination of the grain deal in the Russo-Ukrainian war by the Russian Federation has sent global food commodity prices soaring for their first increase in months. As the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, the FAO, reports a 1.3% rise in the FAO Food Price Index for July, driven by higher costs for rice and vegetable oil. The increase is attributed to Russia's withdrawal from a wartime agreement allowing Ukraine to ship grain, as well as Indian restrictions on rice exports. Both disruptions have impacted the global food supply, particularly for wheat, barley, sunflower oil, and other staples. The FAO warns that the rise in prices could lead to food insecurity, especially for vulnerable populations in developing countries. The relationship between supply and demand is the main determining factor of the market, as we all know. Unfortunately for the world's poor, war supply restrictions mean that there is not enough food to reach global demand, creating existential risks for some of Earth's most vulnerable communities. In more optimistic news, the popular software HubSpot has gained revenue due to their decision to plan value-based pricing for their generative AI technology, according to a recent story by Markets Insider. Following Q2 results, which displayed a 25% year-over-year increase in total revenue to $529.1 million, HubSpot outperformed projections for revenue, profitability, EPS, and cash flow. Despite macro challenges and cautious consumer spending, HubSpot maintains market momentum. The importance of value-based pricing is inherent to all companies today, from AI innovators to your local sub shop. Charge the value that your product is worth, and you will receive the profit that you desire. If companies want to be their most profitable, they should make their products the most valuable, and then charge the true value of their product. HubSpot is arguing that their generative AI innovations will revolutionize the industry, so they are charging accordingly, and the market is rewarding them for it.